that is the way I'm going to control this. Okay? Okay. Let me come further. Mbadi won mbadi tala mbadi tentula momo itole ini konton al salon telen jojo shedding chapatole aka Dr. Baba Jah, voice of the voiceless aliali no koji wato kono scandalo le bakeri mon keta nyum otutu scandalo bari londo fankaso jannin kadon koko no kiskis rokele ngalon nyum osusu kake nyaadile jumale keta victimoti anin muniale kodo soto how they make money. Okay? Bi nadi amo kono bi mba modol mala mba folo la munna wala musomu yalo aya fanke moli nganati fo afindita Facebook aka kuma kan jawol ta aka fontele musubu yale ka fa kasa amna kasa manding bi mba mala mba dungol bi nadia mo kono mba modo mala mu yale ka fa ko Ismaila Manjang alsa lon ko bi Ismaila Manjang wala victime siata America be kono Ismaila Manjang way ko do munta wala siata America be kono jamala ni Ousmane Manjanti anim fanam mba modo mala mu yale ka fa ko sirifo Manjang Ousmane Manjang na brother modo fana mu yale ka fa kadi Manjang Ousmane Manjang na sister bimba wol be mala be nimbota je fana modo bi je mu yale e ka fa ndela atiba Angleterre le bi mbade fana mba mala do man there because ndela kumo mu yala ba dako na aya folem then from there then I will go to ndey Fatou Njai alsalon ko ndey Fatou Njai ate ya aresmu Gambia le after no gal nata ya question ngalo ko ala account mum ci ay jafe jafe alsalon ko tamit nekut ne ndey Fatou Njai rek lañ tié ndey Fatou Njai tié won nañ ko ñu ko enquête ak benn jigéen koo xam ne kooku moo dee contrôle xaalis osusu bu nekk Gambia ngeen xam ne tamit tey dinaa laal Kasa Manding ngeen xam ne tamit tey dinaa laal Ousmane Manjang ñu mu scam si lii moo gën a bari Kasa sax waaw te dinaa laal te dinaa fa laal mbokk yi gis ngeen lii scam la this is scam but they are not telling you ne lii scam la. They are not telling you, but the admin, ñoo xamne ñoo nekk ci li ñoo xamne ñoo nekk di rolli, they know exactly that this is scam. Why? Xam nga fi you the big victims, you have a case. Yes. And then the admin and others, they have a case to answer. Let nobody fool you. I did my 1+1 together and I have everything right. Let me tell you, I spoke to a criminal lawyer who advised me, who I asked. You see, if you are in America, you need to talk to a lawyer. There is a lawyer who is available for free. You can talk to a criminal lawyer for free, for 30 minutes. Yes. And me, alhamdulillah, I talked to a lawyer for 1 hour, a criminal lawyer. That's why I told you, today I will come and tell you guys today. Because yesterday I had an appointment with the criminal lawyer. The criminal lawyer advised me and told me exactly what happened and what is going on. And today, that is what I'm going to tell you. Especially if you live in the United States of America. Okay? I got your back. We are together in this. Especially in Nambadi Seattle Kolo. We are together in this. Okay? Scam no muyalo ko imafali. O scam no. Imafali fana akaboile. When these people, when they need money from you, they don't tell you that Li munga perte. They tell you, wow, you can go and bring 2 people. Regino, you can make 4,000. You know? Come on, man. Are you telling people that Li munga crash before they enter? But when you get the victim already, and like the boss lady, like Ousmane Manjang, they sit like this. So now you, the petty will go and find them victim. And you are the one who is finding them victim. Kasa will go and sit. Kasa Mandimbore is sitting in his corner. You guys are finding Kasa victim. Because it's a deal. It did not make no sense. Even the money that they are telling you in 1 month, it did not make no sense. And the most important thing, this money that you guys are sending, do you know that it's a gift? Yes, it's considered as a gift. Go and check the app and the flyers. I saw different flyers. Flyer, Biri, flyer, Nyankatang, flyer, Kong. Ewa Angleterre. Angleterre, ma fa nekon ci ñaanal leen way xam na de war na fa delu ma ñaanal leen. Flyer Kong sa am na Angleterre. Scam bi fu mu gina bari in this world where is affected Gambians. It's the one in the UK. Yeah, it's the one in UK. So now, let nobody fool you that that this is not a federal crime. You guys are doing a fraud. Let me tell you. They say it's a gift when you are sending money. Go and check all the flyers and the way you are sending money. Okay, yeah. If it's considered as a gift, let me tell you. Today, I want to show you a car. I can tell you, okay, now, I want to show you a car. But now, let's go to the Department of License. I will tell them I'll give it to you as a gift. Okay, no problem. Okay, now, two of us, we agree. Now, we went there. I said, no, it's a gift. I give it to Demba Opata or Samba. It's a gift. And at the end of the day, me and Demba Opata, we have issue. Demba went back to DVL and tell them that it was not a gift. He sold it to me. Now Uncle Sam will come for me. This is what I want you guys to understand. Uncle Sam will come for you. Uncle Sam have the right to come for you because I say it's a gift. I'm going to give it to Ramu. And Ramu went back there and report me. I say it's a gift. I give it to Samba. Samba went there and report me. So now you have a case to answer. It's a scam. It's a scam. So I'm going to tell you it's a scam. And let me tell you, this has nothing to do with the FBI. This is a CIA crime. Anything dealing with money. Listen to me. I'm just telling you what the lawyer told me. Anything dealing with money in this country where, you know, thousands get involved is a CIA crime. CIA are the ones that are responsible for this. Especially the one in the UK, the one in the US. This is a CIA crime. And then let me tell you, Kasamandi wo, Ismaila wo, and Granny Salah wo, you commit a crime. You guys were doing money laundering. Telegram is banned in Russia. Go and do more investigation about Telegram, about all this scam. This scam, this Telegram thing, they ban it in Poland. Most of Eastern Europe country, yeah, banned it. Yeah, banned it because of Ning scam Latin, yeah, banned. But they don't ban this in America. The software, you can even use it in America. But now, if you are in like other countries, like if you are in like Canada or Poland or Romania, you cannot have the access to this software. It's a terminology because software is banned. So now, I was talking to someone. The person, she's a Sierra Leonean. She told me this scam was going on before in the US about 18 years ago. This scam was going on. Now they are because they know people are aware of it. They bury it. Now they start this scam again. Let me tell you, in America here we are talking about $250,000 that went $250,000. In the UK we are talking of £500,000 sterling. £500,000 sterling. As I am talking with you, there is somebody who lodged a complaint about Kenako Hamne Koku lawyer la. Ñu ngi lodge complaint affaire am ne dafa lekk ci xaalis bi. Foog naa law office boo xam ne foofu la moo liggéey kooku mu nekkoon ne soma fayut the law office where you work in your chambers. I will go and lodge a complaint about you because you know that this is a scam. As I am telling with you, Demba. No, foog naa Demba xama barkaati Demba. There is a Gambian who you know they arrest that Gambian because of the faleka halisi osusuniti. Angleterre ñu go reportante. Angleterre ñu go reportante. At this moment, as I'm talking with you, England they are reporting each other. There is a guy who you know koko amut kayit. While leka na halis bi. Guy you oyo ko immigration ñu ko yobu detention. Lolu yek nako. Angleterre ñu go reportante. So this thing nobody knows. Ñim ko ba dan na dal. Tiñaro ketel ak Angleterre legi ni is people who you know ñu ngi lekk xaalis bi ñeneen ñi ñu ne duñ ko mëna fay because amuñu. Yeah, man so lekk ci xaalis awma. You cannot blame me de. Ñoy blame ñoo nekk admin bi ñom ñoo nekk di rondi so. Why? My people, since I do my investigation, most of this admin they have 8 hands, 7 hands. hand. And most of these admin, just like Suleiman Manjang. Suleiman Manjang, ayadi adimolani, adunga yado. Suleiman Manjang yadi ala musola. Suleiman Manjang yadi Kadima Janna. Our pencil again, I found by muso yadom. Ayadi Shirif Manjana. And let me tell you, Suleiman Manjang, what he did is the same thing as what Casamandin did. Brialo go kwenye kanakala tele ye bank detail or switch. But bank detail ya switch. As I did my investigation, that bank detail belonged to Usman Manjang himself. Usman Manjang himself. Birabare defana another fana I bank detail of falling. Kake adomato yala muyala wala kena Shirif Manjang. Shirif Manjang fananto. I see nga bele soto jang muyala kanyi mumfali. I have to put everything together. Mbadimo Casamanding abuka ko molye exactly muna ba ko Casamanding meta ka mol kolle Casamanding ka mol 911 le janaba victime soto so ning a victim killing da aso ite ko do ya dunde rek atekay nka ite kay akela de kar killing ay ta victim do no so Casamanding wolek yamal ngamol dol ko ay moto kutole sangi wato kono ala buma pimple e ko ya nyini kale ako ala stimulus check lombang for ay ko do mu soto ala nyin for unemployment I want to do the nyini which is none of my business but mba fra ko momo mu ya lonko ya ko do di Casamanding na ite mari you need help I am ready ngabo Facebook le londo fanka sedinta ngabo Facebook le mo betulo bana I am ready to volunteer and give you the information that you needed. Dami yalang iba CIL contacted Dami. And then I brought Casamanding the personal address for our steering Dami. I will give it to you. Pour alia wuli alia la kodosho. Kado Casamanding go nanale mu ati. Afako akado. Kafo mole ko nimu sampere sanganya de alia la kodota la alia dundi. Kakuma jauta kafo mole. Casamanding ndoba diabolo ka fay ko ha. Ntata bankle ngokodo donto. Banko nyine hani bi mon me la kodoso akamo ba jaring aya miracle how you can go away with this foka pare ay mun laje wolo ako akan disering chapatu londo fankasu takanta ko mandi tola bara ko man tinu fulali prophet Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam they call prophet different type of names. What I am doing here, nobody is paying me. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the one who is paying me. So I don't care what people are saying about me. Yes, I don't care what people say about me because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala know who I am. I don't care. You can call me names, you can put my image anywhere. Any word that each and every one of you call me, I heard those words already. If you guys can see my Facebook page, there are a lot of people that I blacklisted. But guess what? I delete their name step by step. How do I delete their name? Some of you are asking me, why do you delete this person's name? Why do you delete this person's name? It's because they contacted me. We talk Sisuf. There are a lot of stuff I'm doing below. And that is the best that we can do. Instead, diamu no duma. Ni victim wale diamu. Mal connect. And that's exactly what I was doing. And I talked to all these people. They told me, okay, yes, we made an error. But now we are ready to refund them back. Get it? And then, let me tell you, yesterday I got a very good deal. This victim, they owe this victim $500. But this victim now, Anim Muya Lonko, this victim, they owe her $500. Okay? But now I got a deal. The person who took her money, the person, now they agree that the victim was so happy that yesterday I get involved. The victim say, okay, now you can pay me only $200. You see? You can pay me now only $200. You see? I did an amazing job there. And it was $500. But I tried to cut a deal. The victim also said, okay, no problem. Now, I'm so glad that now you are talking with me. You see, miscommunication is the problem here. You guys, the biggest problem you guys did, Telegram and WhatsApp group and all, you don't have to close them. Don't care what people are going to say. If you are wrong, when people are insulted, you just shut the fuck up. Because you are wrong. People can call you names. They have the right to call you whatever they want. All you're going to do more like a year that's all because Ibo don't say, okay, madam, I take it. No. Honey, you are wrong. When you are wrong, know that you are wrong and admit you are wrong. Okay? You sit at the back. Okay? Let the victim talk. And that is what I have been doing. Yesterday, you know, Anybody who call me and tell me yes, it's true. Now me, I agree. What I do, I contact the victim. Money. Kii de wax na ak mom de li ak li la wax. Legi mu ne li ak li mu ne so affaire bi naka la. Mu ne man okay, no problem. Fekk legi non la mu ngi okay kay legi mun na obi communication line. No problem. Open the communication line. Gambia belongs to all of us. I had a platform. I am a problem solver. I solve people's problem. Okay, you have issues, you come to me. I can see if I can cut the deal. And that's exactly what I did yesterday. I have been cutting deals. Suleiman Manjang, Dimo. Suleiman Manjang. Muyalonga about Atlanta. Adimo. Animo no fanadiamu that they cut a deal. Take it. And this is what I have been doing. To cut deals with people. Nialonga mola kodobele, you come to me. No maritanga, put them Facebook. Big Gambian, no. Some Gambians, they are not scared of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, but they are scared of social media. You put them on social media, they will run. So here, I'm going to make one point clear. Me and you will talk. At the end of the day, you from there, you, when I'm telling people in the chap actually, li Angleterre la am. Li so all of la ko wax. Yen ñu dëkk Angleterre xam ngeen seen bopp. You guys come to me. We know that you guys were admin ngeen. See in that account. Xam ne ne lekka ngeen. Seen doom yi lekka nañ, seen waa kër lekka nañ. You guys contact me, mo waxa yeen si suuf. Ma leen okay, no problem. Fekk léegi affaire bi nii la. And de man xam naa lekka ngeen. Xam naa lekka ngeen. I'm not going to apologize you. Xam naa lekka ngeen. Xam naa admin ngeen because you are admin. You were sending flyers. See you la did. And then at the end of the mama waxa yo si suuf ba pare at the end yo nga jógee foofu ngay dem back to the group di wax leen ne waaw capacole de mu ne waaw waa Angleterre waa Brikama ñu fi nekka ñoo ko wax xam la yaa ngi ñaawal the victim now. Yaa ngi ñaawal the victim te yow sax xam nga ne maa yow wax nañ si suuf wax naa la everything naka la so lii moo tax Gambian bi tey pour dimbale ko is not easy. You are a Gambian like me. You are a victim like me. Mama dimbale la mama ayo si souf. Ben you degal affaire bi si souf. Ndekere yow ma di delete information. You are from there. This thing happened in England. You are from there. You went back to the group. Mane, leka nga. Mako waxati ko Angleterre nga nek leka nga. You eat. Kon nak xam nga len la affaire bi man tapatol if I am working to cut a deal. Ni ba affaire bi nonu. Sa ko tuma yeen jigéen ni. I know the lekanga mako wax man Serigne Chapa actually lekanga mako wax gis nga I say you know I see all xam nga doomi adama mo tut yeneen say dafa am ay nit yo xamne dama am ak ñum coléré seen affaire su ñëwé ci suma table dama ci dé tek suma tanka waaw so dama gis ne fofu I made a mistake lutax digeen bi sax ma tek ci suma tanka parce que xamna ne admit la fofu xamna wax kat la fofu gis na all the telex gis na all the messages gis na ko waaye léegi yow nga ñëw si man nga gomma ma wax ak yow si suuf at the end bi yow nga jógee foofu and I don't want you to call me you know yourself yow nga jógee foofu di dem back to the WhatsApp group xaw ma telex la ngay ñaawal ñooñu I don't like that when you talk with me we cut a deal si suuf nañ bàyyee noonu but you cannot come to me with you cannot come to me and you we cut a deal I give you a very good deal at the end of it you go there yaa ngi start di ñaawal the victim waaye capacole sa xam ne man sa ku baax la yow waa affaire bi nu mu defee ba affaire bi nu mu defee nii it's not on your favor it's not on your favor so let us stop this nonsense yaa ngi dégg so képp nit koo xam ne yaa ngi Angleterre léegi nii especially kii Ndela let me tell you dégg Ndela I heard what Ndela said 95% of lu Ndela wax démba si Fatoumata Koka is all true loolu ma ko 95% 5% rek la Ndela messed up while 95% of what Ndela said in the UK is true while Ndela was saying 400,000 it's more than 400 it's about 500,000 pounds that is what we are talking about here gis nga and Ndela also was confused after bad day how did that leak Ndela was the admin moom moo nekk yaay susubi baay susubi anti susubi everything about the susu but let me tell you Ndela also favor you Ndela was having nekkul Ndela benn loxo rek la am and all this admit loolu lañ nekkul ne benn loxo rek lañ am you need money okay yo nga waxa ndela gom la ndela mu ne ok no problem léegi lii mun naa laa dimbale suma benn hand bii ma jox la ko si suuf gis nga waaye damaa wax lii ak lii fekk nit yaa si rang bi ndela help you at the end of the you went and get the money already nga dem nga waxaa keneen ne ma ne soo paree déedéet ma ne ndela dimbale dama ne soo koolee da nga koo kool ma ne wax ko lii ak lii waaw man tamit lii laa ko wax loolu moo tax ndela dimbale dama ne xay am naa waaw soo paree wax ko loolu rek waaw gis nga te ndela gum na la yow yaa waxaa ndela si suuf waaye yow at the end of you went there nga betray ndela de wax ko keneen tamit kooku amu ko because kooku amul kooku tamit dem mu lig affaire yi ndela jaaxal affaire bi naka la liggéey affaire birthday bi naka la liggéey affaire rent bi naka la liggéey affaire mortgage bi naka la liggéey how did it leak waaw dama jaaxal ndela parce que Gambia bi moo mel noonu yow côté wi dem again nga dimbale leen si suuf at the end of the ñoom fii la ñoo jógee dem si kaw dama wax keneen waaw ndela xam nga you know mel ni Casamanding na victime do biya siati dang ma fula liye mbadi mo wo victime ni nga beren Casamanding ba sula len ala Casamanding ala ko to nyin kan ning fresco ning fenko toto le banyo ni wato be kon ya jele victime ni nyata ka mutal mo minna di dedet victime nyata ka bulo ni muta a victime ko akai ko ha biwo ha to nya tele nyanta pour ka muta bari dembani mpate wala nata sambana fenge so sa mbakala next week let I wo bulo ta aya wa fo modo ya bar waya lo nyaadile ay bu Casamanding bulo ni ta aya wa fo modo mu ya we 300 le bi Casamanding plus 500 do mu ya lo e ka fa admit fee wala ba lani Casamanding wala ta maje bari wonde bulo lo bari Casamanding ka nyim bulo ta la wa fo nyiya bara ko fendo mo jin ara ni ka fa fa nyada laka kama Casamanding komo manta konna Casamanding wulda fa nyata lanka Casamanding wulda ko malo fo ndeko manta bulela yaya jamela fenko kon an fantini no mo fo ndeko manta yaya jamme nenna that's what I said na problem ol sidon duma nga voice message ala ni nga voice message nda Casamanding fan yalla fo because ndemo fo odro duna den Casamanding dem at the end of the day you want to go personal baba jam fan ya folalti I Muhammad sallallahu ibu da banda you are a liar you are a this but ndela nga fali Casamanding na victim ba dawo da jang you contact me I will give you left come wala the state that you are in what state on insa google ye ngawe CIA email jamay bole use la mu yal de respond to you telephone number jamay bole use la IRS the telephone number jama anim ala personal address ala bank sign thing Zelle money start pour Casamanding bank call bank is also doing investigation Sirif Fana the same thing Osman yajale ñu ko be tata abima Atlantel atoni ni scandalo abi tata abima Atlantel abi tata ñu ko di bal mu aka mu tol muy America jam anta la qu'est-ce qui se rokiba ni Casamanding na victime do diam da ko ni serin kepan kan nam akonye teman kaito soto akonye bari immigration non command follow for me to leave the country akonye ko ndeka dogo ke sulalea ni arabolo muni yala bidiko li bibla akonye ndeka wulle suto sebino clock lon kan ko rabula kata ela stol ton kata dulal fit clean naka wala ke ya jele denano ikage pramo mun kon akonye wo pram sifa wala bambulu nko pramo leta I put all my cleaning detergent nkaka waleto I walk 2 to 3 miles bidiko dol bije because kaito tambul pour ka drive akonya at night at the middle of the night can you believe this I'm a woman ngawo turu wala ta kata wonde bidiko ta ke fita ngawo bidiko ngata bidiki do fana akonya te kabalu wala jam akonya nakodo nga soro ni ntara budu kesoda akonya ninye Casamanding woti fama besa Casamanding woti wato kasa mumu nyum muso long ani nyin mol mun yala wala mun lakodo ta ani jam dum muso ko nyam kay to soto de akonye andu fa nima kay to ta nima soto ida chochu buka siya bake akonye wala tina man hanya akonye bari immigration man sabe pour nga fendi de woto alsa lon ko nyin sede nyin kuma sifalo wala kambalo borondi desa wala kambalo borondi ni modol jam sako do kay tin tawal kay to tebul ibijan kan tebul o to nyaleti nde I was living in this country kay to tambulu non Birimba steren siatu ni modo jote ta kafanyo ko ha ni ko bandi ba immigration document de kamba o mo nyoku yata nsilata katu mo kaitin tamleti so wala tina alma bulaka kaitin tamol yus Angleterre bi ñu problème mun nata Angleterre just look at Angleterre kaitin tamol bi jen people who know they don't have no papers but today they are scared to talk and those are the ones that I am fighting for. So now if you want to call me names you can call me name. Yeah, you know ko ko jata ya fanye bare ale mun lantito we I don't see it. You can say whatever. Prophet Muhammad kila ya kumo belfo kila la bara amna tala kila bara. Sakonde seri chapato ndam yalo. Fenta ko namage fonyote animbuo. Fenta ko namage fonyote animbuo. Wala say ning kasamandi nyole nyin kusi fak. Kasamandi ya mere nata da ala pejo da ande ata UDP ko bina ma ko len. Kasamandi ila anko ila mol mu wasi ade fa UDP ko temba. Ila victim mol fa UDP ko temba. Bari la pati monte face à la nyin kan. Atonya fo noye tumando ni na de yamba ku dola modol bije munale yen kon isna ye fasa bar nyindo mo ma nyana pour que fasa atonya fo mun ni ala salla adi ning ala subhanahu wa ta'ala jakka samandi I don't hate you mbare muso bar kana mira ko you will go away with it. No, I am ready pour que second chance de ta samandi ya bunda yele ini molye diamu wali yen ta contact ya fa ko ning kasama diamu tele nga fen koy billahi loda Facebook la bima argumenti wallahi tallahi nin kasama di ima woke ni molye na bunda konkon nsa yele mbakaiti perdi de la mu yalla they need about you ila zel ila accounto zel mo ka ko do waya e dan I pare ibe la bunda konkon na tabe nta chapato le ntama ni fo fele sur Facebook mo be nyaban ndana nko ko imu nati iko imati sane ba de mati matole ma sane ba de mati matole ma. Nobody will support you on this. Because alba mole toraka mol muni ya lonko. Ya gele ninka sama ndinda. Ya long nyindo manke nyindo manke gele podi. Fadu. Kasama ndinda talibo dolo. Akonya ko ibu. Sometimes you see I call Kasama nding. She never answer, but now if she posts anything on Facebook, I put my comment there. As soon as she can remember, Uncle. Nakala. This is what I was doing. If anything Kasamandi posts on Facebook, I will go and put a comment there. My sister, you are a queen. My sister, you look good. I'll post there. I able to for Kibara Mola Kasamandi. For Kibara Mola. I able to correct. What's up, Mofana? Kasamandia Kudo post. Oh, my sister, you are right. You are the sweetie. Au busaje akonye comment pour ga hakilo bulandi fonko tete akonye chapatele sa mbatade and you know mtonyati people are sick and tired ye mira bimba comment la ila posto because nkortale pour nyimume hakilo kama awon kasama nesuna woto wala mba fula le ko momu yala ila mo kendole inaka diam Allah diam duma you know bunda yele ni bunda yele inin victime le diam victime ba fula ngen ngeto bondi but yake da minto ni mambata ngaji bentenite who will be the winner ngaji bentenite who will be the winner. You scam people, you lie about people because man they even information for you even lose la kodola yake be if you guys went to court kasama any new conversation those people they are lawyer have the right to ask the judge for the judge to call on T-Mobile or Vodafone or AT&T for them to bring the voice conversation that you had with them. They come for you, wala lawyer ye sembo so pour ka jojo waranto safi pour ini wala diamo come on scam nyami T-Mobile yo rekoto kamana wo victim ye call time munna lawyer kuna ko la fani ye call time munna ini dam tamuna wo rekoto T-Mobile ba belek de CD kono ya di lawyer sorry ya di jojo la jojo will put that record and listen e come on recruit nyadi and it's not going to look good, my sister. It's not what bunda yele kasama ini mole diamo but niko kefon le kumujandi hey kunjandi road side it will not help you because imu criminal ole kasama amage mansale ka de kasama ila sister dingo il faut la blood sister dingo aba fudu wala siato kasama yamune ke wala your old blood sister il faut ni muso mbota yelola o dimo bebul yo dimo la social security ta ya account o yele fraud account yo ta ya yele ni wodi ndimo to yala yo wodi no yala credit card I am messed up. You use my social security. You did that. kasama meti la criminal yalla le you go away with it kasama hey ibadi mo munuke la kumo fo moliye I korita le de mote ibadi mo tala ya soto bi ikata ke ibadi mo tinya hani de bi naja kasama bi ibadi mo bi ni moliye ibadi mo konta ka fa aljam kasama e kamuna fo kasama dina konto la haji tije kasama ndi nyinni ko nga e ka wolef and that's exactly what you did. That's exactly what you did. Let's be honest to each other. If found a sister demo, you took her social security because they know you better than no. You have social security now. It had a credit card account to you. For my second. Kasama din fela America ba America. Nga fanya America sama kityo. Mba America ba America. Nga fanya America sama kityo. That's what you did. Ita criminal mama sirin jang. Kamba no fango ni do jang da ko nyugo andum fala ne kasama din Facebook ba jale je. Facebook isa akoni kontini na malo ko kasama din nyinati. Kontini ma akonye because of nga mira ko ha because aba Facebook lungolo aba wori da to da pra to kana tinya. Nga ko mbani nga ko dina mka ko telesfeta alala. Par kasama din wo buke mir ala nen kidala. Ha wo buke mir ala nen kidala. Wo buke mir ala nen kidala. Itala basiri je take mira itala basiri je take mira ala nen kidala. But people like ning ñu osusu ko do ñu ko leka du ndé xala affaire yalla ak yonent dina ngi fa wa Facebook lañu dagar Facebook for high hamaten ma c'est a real estate bi real estate of bring us people we are calling me name on this real estate but alhamdulillah I keep on pushing until B nga kudu teje nga nkamben ra nge a light. So it's the same thing I'm going to do with this osusu, and I want people to know that Suleiman Manjang I hope they idimo Anissa Diamo. I hope ila sister Kadima Manjang nyon Kentucky Usman Manjang na muso mumbe New York al feroke al nin al keye diam ay mun la ko do ila al feroke al ni ye diam ya la ye mun la ko do di molla. It's very easy. Suleiman Manjang mol mun yalla ila victim mo leti there is somebody mu yalla lonko $5,000 bari Allah nga fa akema malonde akonye te patole lo ngol nkema nyillam nkema sambula akonye nkema ndene mala akonye ko disifa bante bulu na bu ko non nga yajale nyinga problème kamba na futu ko non akonye nkema nyillam akonye te patole bilda wala akonye andi fa ngane ndeke fa ndundi jele na ndeke fa na wo nim amala ko do so ndel bo kile ngane ndeke la ko do di yalla duma pour mo kana kalamuta akonye because of ni ya kalamuta akonye Suleiman Manjang tenga lonne mo ken do do akonye Suleiman Manjang barna di amuta jang ise di muso ci yaade Suleiman Manjang ako Suleiman Manjang bole nyam ako ni bari sen tapatole wollong Suleiman Manjang bank information o bedi molla andum fana yaje kasama e munke Suleiman Manjang fane wala ke is malam fo kasama ni Suleiman Manjang iba nyoso ka hakilo la nyimte ba Suleiman Manjang atata ay bank account ni switch ako ha nyindola zelman bete ya so mba kele nyindola ko bi mbulu Suleiman Manjang you can go away with it iba America. You are in United States of America. I don't care any moment from now. Let's say you start the call report. It's all long. Ndesha pattern ndelo ngo ile bank ya commencer la call report. Tumando ni danta wote sa alatin. Wote wala na mbadi amula alla family you know. Hal fair okay. Suleiman Manjang la family ya di bella include ifa ngodinke. Ntonya famfania. Suleiman ya di la prodal. Ya di la musola. Anga tonya fu nyoy. Wote anga fair okay. Ngani molu jo. Ya ga nale lano ya andi mol diamuta. Ah? Tumando what's up Balfano allié? What's up Balfano allié? Yesterday I got a very good deal and alhamdulillah I got that deal. This this lady they owe her almost $500. But now the deal that I got, the boy say the time they start to communicate, the boy say okay, now I am ready. No, sorry, the victim say okay, I'm very glad now you open the phone, we are talking. Now I am ready. I will forgive you 300. Now give me only 200. From 500, now give me only 200. So when I get a patron, kendo monkey duma. When I let more munul told journalist to bring the agent duma because the job I'm doing duma. Yaga na do ko ke duma. When I face ngana santo mo be balon. Nsa do ko ke no duma ndama nga diamu duma. But ni de wulde sando iko kantele tinya kasamandi. Eke fon le nene. Ousmane Fanang the same thing. Yamu fele WhatsApp audio ta manke mamwele. Suleiman Ousmane Manjang ngamwele mu fele WhatsApp audio because ya tali ya kinyana ngalama. Woto al fero ka alsa chapachole mal kong. I am here for the victim. Ali Allah, I'm here for the victim. You know, that's up to you. But al fero ke. Ali laino yele ali mole diam. Tumondo nali mole diamuta. Isali ma ko ino. Tumando. Yajele, some people, they have a very good heart. And they can forgive. Wallahi, they can forgive. Yajele, the same thing as Ndela did in UK. Ndela messed up. While Ndela nyoko messed up, Ndela nyum dun dimbale. Nyoko messed up. Nyum hamni Ndela nyata lokola fa amon. Nyata. Hey, Matude. Kasamandin Tafula among Kodibaki Gambia. I'm going to touch that site. Kasamandin Tafula among Kodibaki Gambia. Ntanangaf. Kasamandi yalu na kodo jelle transfer kata Gambia. So wala nang kale lo kuta nyung kumubeli basirin tek ni nakaitol. The same thing will happen to Ndela Tana. Ndela was even shocked. Ndela munge wahne wow man. Wow, Mandamade Yoni Gambia hires every month. Wow, and they Yoni Gambia every month. Why before $5 in Gadan Yoni every month? Why I tell you Gisla, Yagi Yoni $100. Eyebrows. The correct. You were sending $5, okay? But the time Osusun starter, you send $100. More the time mirror. Honey kodo nyim for man Osus kodo, the man for Osus kodo. Alkana miracle molta lona de alka kodoki dawo da we know alka kodoki munulie how now maybe some of you albaja handle don't know information or something ngadile. There are people who are working there who are giving us all those information, and those people are not going to tell you it afala atufana antenona ndoko information or something ngadile ndela tafana workata birin ndela tafindita ndela was even shocked. Wow lolu some personal information la some passport de sax mum fa war ñoo def lolu wow war ñu ko def lolu degala. Why, lady, how are you going to know who leaked that information? Because given this Osusu, everybody had a family in this. Everybody had a family in this. Yajele Gambia, I spoke to a friend of mine. Abadoko the GRA, where 180,000 de dundi nyimkot. Mujala I julo fontal 80,000 I julo ta ila dokudula. 180 Gambia GRA abadoko won. 180,000. Ngado fana lo Gambia mujala 200,000 awata dundi. Alkana mira jan drone victim otide. La ilaha illallah. Nde fatla victim mumba Gambia bukaba. Victim otabana. So when you know, now I was wondering where the fuck did Gambians are getting all this big money. I was wondering how Gambians are getting all this big money. You go 150,000 na money, 200,000 in the Gambia. I was shocked. And the account of Yaleka Georgia, account on you but trust bank le. The money to be ndey fatu moko mom. Not a million more faduga. We know it all. That was the reason why the Gambia, Muriale Gambia, was a serious crime unit. So, bitu mala fande fadu account for ya frozen the bank, for my frozen bank for you inaye ha dilo le kotoba adim police bank malo. But right now ngal no ko ab Gambia and she is well. She is well. She is not sick. I was talking to somebody who is trying to back who was trying to back Ndefat. One day Fat dafa febar. Wow. Manako lu ko jot. Mune man ci patchol yo xamno dara ci affaire Ndefat dafa febar. Dafa dem Gambia. Manako Ndefat lu ko jot. Mune man waaw dafa amé jabet. Manako jabet. Wolong kulfete courant xay. Manako Angleterre. Den defay jabet. Manako wa xamna lolu. Wa dafa def faju. Because yo jël nga susu bi befare because yow jël nga sa boss ko li mo da yeen wa Angleterre pour dimbalé len yeen dugal ci Ndela yeen dugal Ndela yeen tamit man tamit kon ngeen ma yeen ñoo xam yeen nekk ci admin bi ma dimbalé len ci suuf ak di enu de ngeen jëlé fofu ngeen dem back di platform gina wax waaw ca patchole sax mu ne waaw jigéen ñi jógee Brikama ñoo ma di port wa ñoom ta xam ni gis nga yow ma waxa yow ba ci suuf ma dimbalé la ci suuf mama xamna yow admin nga adi enu yo nga joge fofu dem back to the platform nga dem di wax man luma wax ak yow li motax legi man I learn my lesson from this xam nga before I don't learn my lesson but you see the more I do this Facebook the more I get more experience how to deal with people the more I get experience how to deal the more I know how to handle people so gis nga digeen bi lu mu def nonu lolu motax ma xamne Ndela den ko fucked up yen wa Angleterre yena fucked up that lady because yen xam ngeen Ndela loxo yu bari la am jëkëram loxo yu bari lañ jël xam ngeen Ndela family am bi jël nañ so at the end of the day la dem dimbale leen ngeen dem tamit di jox Ndela keneen li mo am waaye I'm glad Ndella want to pay back. So the only thing that I can say here is, yen ñoo xam ne jël ngeen waaw yéen ñoo xam ne jël ngeen fay leen su ma paree foofu tamit na Baakuye Boy Sol mun yàlla iba Italie Lady Jawara iba Italie chapter osusu na Baakuye Boy Sol yan commande let iko ila kodo bela iko ye 1,000 euro yo wala dundi na Baakuye Boy Sol ko 1,000 euro yo wala dundi Lady Jawara Italie mbambulo likilikile ini na talibol ya arrangé Belgium chapter osusu Belgium chapter mon la ko dol dila Sweden chapter yen xam ngeen gis naa seen borom ñaari tour yi génn na mu ngi jógee audio mu ngi wax ne moom lekkut xaalis bi dugana fi génn fa and the information that you guys are telling me the information is wrong maa ko wax Sweden chapter buguma aga foofu lu ma bëgg moo nekk nata pour tey su ma defee soobi tey affaire bi na jeex fii buguma ñëwaat fii pour di waxaat affaire lii bara wax kasmandi yeen ko ni ma la fi nga muru na jang ko denke bu ndayel ini moli diam ali jamu commencé duma bar ni man son ntelen do fankaso Serigne Thiapadia ntele nga fa on Friday ni alata la maso kitita mamur na janne ko denke andum fana na Baakuye talibo munu ba Italie Lady Jawara biri kama Italie Lady mo la ko do di Baakuye talibo ntele mu ila muruti ila ko do dija dan ko akalate tele alma fo mole ko abakalate dale alma nyifo moli kambano do pije mbadde maka funya ko nyogo Lady mu ya longo criminal lo ni dia mutaye rega ka fele ko ha aba mafia kile ka anu fala na ko do ba ndesa kambano fam kaji ntamal nga fo da police ba ko nyiti pacho ntama ni ka da police ko ndom yalla mantra sikure taje mo so nyunu la victime multi mo yalla mantra sikure ha ya jele kenatan waxna Ndella mu doon wax dema Ndella mu ne wow some people were paying money in her account. It's the same thing that happened to Casamanding. Mo ba susu wala kan ne e ka jo Casamanding na account ne Casamanding nyinin ka Casamanding ka folo ko ha ka rele nyanta kata ka man kay to so wala tina wada ko do nyi Casamanding bulolo wot Casamanding e ke do fana use aba Atlanta ken no nyi go Casamanding kala account to use ako atama donde ken no nyi na diam tel ken no nyi go Casamanding was using her account Casamanding ka fo mole ko al ko do ge nyina ak ba bari Casamanding mum fay on the phone wala nyinti ko mo do ko do waya lanye ni ya waya nye dukare ko do nyamu de sama mbina akambale I was out of town ako Casamanding ka fo mba Dubai le bang malon ye ngamar Dubai lo nka ko mbani ako nya nka ko ñu corona wato ko ñoo bita Dubai nka ñu corona wato ko ida fa ñanta ka jël ko Casamanding ka mu fo to ñante ka no corona wato ko bar Casamanding yo fa totale pour ka ko do ta pour que kodota ka waya an woke do toy the same thing wala keta jara sedikan ko Casamanding yala nemile use pour que kodo waya jara sedikan fana tulo bana ki ba Facebook ngana na alban jibe ka Facebook parentero ngolo na you guys are watching me through the Facebook parentero ngolo gay ñu ma yuru na hanga Facebook dafa am parentère fofu la gay ñu dima yurundu tapatul tedi la indi basta bi xamna ni tapatul do mi xaram bi tedi la indi e wa tapatul bu wax li tapatul do mi xaram ba tap yo dama saga xamna so yeen ñoo xamne ay admin ngeen yena ci Facebook parentère bi man leen oh la la ngeen xamne man nekuma sen non wa ma ngi na wax ne oh la la waaw yo ñu nek admin yena ma yurundu ci Facebook parentère bi ma ngi na wax ne oh la la xam ngeen sama yeen ngeen ma ñaanal yenn na de alcool doa ala Facebook parentero ala ma ñe fa ñe modu tora tapato la ñi para tapato la dam tapato la bi dam voice of the voiceless lay ha ata mo ji ka Facebook parentero ay yo fi jet di ngeen ma yurundu bi rek wa tapato la ma fi ma ngi naan suma coffee oto ba fa la de ko ya jele Casamanding na ko the more you deep the more you in trouble sirif la ko mo the more you deep sirif bari man of sirif doma aya lonne bang because ndema mi sirif doma no sorry Usman doma mu gëna sirif ti aya lonne what the fuck is going on because ataka mo use ataka cash app le use ya no cash app ibuko report no ha bari mu ye Casamanding ni ndol tenkere wol kila personal account le use but Usman din doma bari Usman Manjang doma mu gëna sirif Manjang cash app ko le use nka faale pour asala ko chapatelo lo kuta jun kumoy mbanna enquête rol la oto mbali dani la amande nga ñu forom bar ning almaston pour ka bundel andi molye diam mbadi mon ha we don't have no choice de ba information o di da mole and fa mo fa shérif la adresse o long nga talibol ali ma ko shérif la adresse o ha because ngala mo ba sula le ngala nim ko te jang téléphone ba commencer ade ni wato be kon na téléphone la ka bisi hani Donald Trump fa téléphone fa do la ngela ba malo na téléphone la ka bisi ka tabi Donald Trump fa na ba diamo la sansa na téléphone fa step ha yaje ngana téléphone jël di mom ka diamo di mo message o kanana di mo information o kanana di mo kayto kanana andu far ku kili njaxal wala ñil listo ñing nga mo to jige Atlanta njaxal téléphone nga mo to ñil listo to Atlanta ba kilo ko mo ba ñu musul bu la ñina ay jaxal and wol musul be ya do male do bulu sababu lu nani ñaka wala yi bulu sababu lu nani kam be wato na gridita andu fana jube de some of them ñom ñoo boka lena ben groupe gaay yi mer ñu dem ñu ubi benen groupe ñom tamit ya ke sine ya condition ñi ndol mu yalon ñi na bi groupe ki dafa baaxon groupe 500 bi baax ñi bay lena ñu dem fi ñi ñu ubi ak yama groupe 500 ba ñu bay yama ñu dem ubi benen ya ke wala jama idama wala ba kero e dama sa ko ina da kalate idam idama ko la man nekuma atmit waaw fi nekulu atmit ci lena waye ci ki ya fa nek atmit bi te ya fa nek atmit aba wala ñam naji ide anka ide mangol lo ni ñu wala sa ide mangol ba do tu ñakal say yeni neen la fi tok di waxante yeni neen fi do oui kare tamit lekana kay kare mu nge ba fal hana kare la ma ñun do jël billah wala talam ba do tan non la baro firita billah wala gam non la baro firita ha badi ba du kare na sombina close la janne mbal dandi la du kare momo mu yala anyi mollo ala foko chapachule ko mal la fi Cameroon next week Friday ha and when I'm done ali mako Usman Manjang address on I'm going to say it one more time. I need you guys to help me with Usman Manjang's address. I got Kasamandina address on one but momo mu ya lonko ye Usman Manjang address so ye mako because ba ni victim because ni victim do ba diamola wode mamira de wode nyim ko asatu noje ya ni victim do nyina ke malom bare ate mum fa ke ma ko ay mun dundije ani ate mun dundija man kede and Usman Manjang na molo ha Usman Manjang bare ate mum fa ke mai ake mai mum ajube de ni ba problem kambana do la futo ko na keli yana a provo kambana adu Usman Manjang itere ba kosla ha so wala na for economy dem best be I'm not going to spare you. You need to come out, you talk to the victim, ali ajibaba arikli nyade ya foiko jumale ya joye ndela ye munke alba wole kela the same as you Kasamande ndela ye munke alwoke you start to negotiate duma ani mol par di mo almake di mo mul kana ka complain di second duma ndisi nde sene tabajro mo ndela nga siatu lo ndela nga duwa ka ni sate kon na siatu ko la ko do ka so to nyami ngo lonne woto Kasamande siatu ko la ko do to batata yana siatu jang ndolum lando fanka so di jang ndele duwata jang wala siatu ko da kodo hanin da sunna wala ni sate jang la ilaha illallah ndel ba siri ye jang wala siatu ko tumando ni ba setul wala folo setul de mbabe siatu ko yo folo setul de ila mol munul bi je folo setul de woto ni la ta kayro la nde pare da kayro la nde pare da pour ka yam fuye yam kuma di to woto la is fine pare du kara ke alay anin kila yo bundata yaye ni wonte ila adresse mbadi le FBI siya ele ni ñu ñu ko ndam do am going to give muni ya lo ko iba jana to nding jana to nding fenke Minnesota wo Atlanta wo jaw I got all the information I needed tumando nga fay bala na ko ha mba jamal len ani Atlanta so wala na alfero ke ala ni mol setul al sahad lon ko mistake ko yali sotole al man tonya bu de keso fo molier na le tonya fo no molier nu tan dun nu mo ta dun naji bar al ka fo mol ko boy tije ni dun ta jinto e bakala tane ni dun ta nyinto nkai mo fula rek ka wolta ya dun dira you make money aka wala fo molier this what you guys were advocating I hear it so li mota mu make sense ne ngeen fay niti so den fay niti man serin tapatul on ben choice bi mu am rek mo ne ka ñu social media duma len ba ngeen xam suma bella amé nak suma courthouse bi duma la ba ngeen xam te ngeen xam ne man I'm here for the voice of the voiceless. I am here representing the voiceless. And if you guys want peace, return their money. Why? Mange thank Lena in UK. That lady, she did an amazing job yesterday. I don't know who cancelled Lena. Can moko cancel. Why Lena wax na wax yu rafet wax yo xamne gis nga if you messed up danga tëdd si suuf nit yi ron nit di jaar sa kaw xawma kan moo cancel Lena foog naa de kii de Fatmata Koka moo ko cancel parce que Lena Demba wax yu mu wax am na kaddu daf ko teg ak yar xam naa kii de Fatmata Koka de gëmuma ko foog naa yow yaa cancel Lena balaa Lena di ñëw parce que you know Demba Lena win people heart maa ngi waxaan nit mu ne ma man dinaa call Lena soo gisee mu wax lii Facebook pour ngeen déglu dafa am ko mu ne man dinaa call Lena man xaalis bii laa fa def waaye pare naa pour baax la Lena waaye waa xam nga amount bii rek laa soxla Lena jox ma waaye gis nga I'm very glad ne Demba call naa kooku because Demba ñooñu Lena mu ngi wax ñooñu ñu ngaa fiit waa fii moom dëgg la non fii dafa fen fii dëgg la waa alhamdulilah wax na ak ñoom kenn ki mu ne ma no problème mu ne ma man léegi dinaa ko Lena dinaa ko baalal Lena nga xam ne Demba sa waxtaan bi dafa am nit ñoo xam ne kontaan nañ léegi nag pare nañ pour baalal la xaw ma da oo nañ la tey mbaa si fali nañ la oo waaye buñ la ooyee Lena noo mel si Fatou melal noonu rek melal noonu xamal ne yow yaa tooñ parce que tey ñu bari lu baax la ñu wax si yow de waaye affaire xaalis bu ñëwee nobody give a fuck. Wow, you can feed the poor, give them whatever you want, but in terms of money, money is evil. Money is evil. Halis moment no. The people who you mess up, those are the people who are messing you up. So I'm going to stop my show here, and I hope I'll be back on Friday by the grace of Allah. I'll be back on Friday. I said it. I'll be back on Friday. If you guys are ready to settle this bills, I'm not going to be back here on Friday. But if you guys are not ready, the information I collected this week and the progress that I am making, I will come back here and tell you this progress I didn't make. I'm going to feed people everything. But now I let them kind of footage. I need to duma. Then watch the souf. Parce que tu pas de l'eau là pour nous voir si souf. Je m'en devais cette tour de caille. Nous voir si souf. Vous nous voyez si souf. Cette tour de nako gagné. Yo les gars, moi connecte la ya talibé. Nga wa ak suma talibé. Man température man dama bara talibé façon talibé yépp la am nak waaw façon talibé yépp la am nak waaye Sweden chapter ñetti yoon laa leen oo Belgium chapter arrangé leen o susu Belgium chapter arrangé leen o susu Sweden chapter arrangé leen wax na ak kenn ki démba si admit bi mu ne man waa léegi ñu jógee arrangé kon nag duma laa seen tur yi gum waaw wax naa leen ne you guys you are guilty until proven innocent. That's what I want you guys to know. All of you guys are guilty in my court until you proven innocent. If they bring you in my court, you are guilty until proven innocent. So I'm begging all of you guys to go and settle them. If you don't settle them, guess what? On Friday, I'll be back here. I'm Dr. Babaja, aka Shirin Chapachole. I am the voice of the voiceless. God bless you all. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.